10 minutes project ready பண்ணலாம். Can you believe this? Yes, if you know about all these tools. Simple ways: idea, project, and launch. Most of us already know about all these tools: Bolt, Lovable, Cursor AI, and Replit. So இந்த 4 tools complete use பண்ணி 3 main criteria: efficiency, uniqueness, and free tier versus pro tier compare பண்ணி which one is the best to build websites within 5 to 10 minutes அப்படின்றது we can see. Number 1, Lovable. Lovable is an AI-assisted builder that mostly focuses on building MVPs, portfolios, landing pages, etc. The project என்ன ஐடியா ஃபோக்கஸ் ஆயிருக்கு, அதில் என்னென்ன பேஜஸ் இருக்கணும், எந்த டெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாக் யூஸ் பண்ணணும், இது எல்லாத்தையும் நீங்கள் டீட்டெயிலாக மென்ஷன் பண்ணிட்டு you should click send and the project will be generated. You can even click the preview to see your website how it is built, and you can even publish it live on the internet. In free tier, it has only its brand name. Coming to the pro tier, publish your websites in your own private domain name. Bolt focuses on building full stack websites, connecting front end, back end, database. Create projects like crude apps, dashboards, analytics. Bolt supports modern languages like React.js and JS frameworks. It also provides backend and API service and database integration. Even push that code into your Git and GitHub repositories. Number 3, Cursor. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor. இதுக்குள்ளேயே inbuilt ஆன Visual Studios இருக்கும், and it has integrated AIs. இதில் you can do traditional coding, you can rewrite and optimize your code, debug பண்ணுறது, error detect பண்ணுறது. ஃப்ரீ டயரில் basic coding and AI features மட்டும் தான் உங்களால் access பண்ண முடியும். So coming to pro tier, advanced features of AI deployed models and deeper understanding and context of the code base, possibility of advanced changes in multi-files through one prompt. Replit is in cloud-based platforms which has online code editor. You already have designs in Figma அப்படின்னா you can directly import your designs. Designer directா ப்ராஜெக்டா build பண்ணி கொடுக்கும். And coming to free tier and pro tier, limited access to storage. And Replit's oda ghostwriter வந்துட்டு pro feature you have advanced access. Replit also a one-click deployment tool. So in the end, if I want to recommend one good website for you to build projects within 5 to 10 minutes, I would suggest Bolt. So இந்த மாதிரி tips, tricks, tools இதெல்லாம் நீங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா do follow Morganverse.